Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so there's a beehive in a tree, not on the branch. It's like literally in the tree. Wait, I've never ever seen a beehive in a tree, ever. But there is one, and it's kind of weird because it's by my house, and I don't really want it by my house, so. But I can't do anything about it, I don't think. If you do know a way that I could get rid of it, comment. But I don't really want to kill them. I'm probably just going to wait till the winter. It's spring right now. And just poison something, I don't know. Get rid of it. Push it with a, I don't know, put wood over it, I don't know, whatever. Okay, so we're almost to it. It's just a regular old beehive in a crack of a tree. Old oak tree. And they're flying all over the place. Hopefully you can hear me. I made this video a couple times because the audio is really bad. Yeah, you can see them flying around. Caution, beehive. Just put that. No, okay. I'm gonna go down in there. Won't focus. Oh, well, you get the point. So there's a beehive, and there's a lot of bees in the beehive, and I don't want the bees in the beehive because they're scary bees. Okay, not really, but hope you enjoyed the video. But anyway, like and subscribe if you liked it. If you like my channel, subscribe. So.